In this video, I'll show you how to generate AI photos for your brand that are indistinguishable from reality.
All you need is one photo of your product. It can be anything: a fashion outfit, a skincare product, accessories, even a car. Log into Pixellum Studio below. Choose the AI model you prefer. Each one is crafted to look super real, and you can scroll to explore more options. Upload your product photo. Click Generate. That's it. In just a few seconds, Pixellum creates a stunning, professional shot of a real-looking model with your product. So natural, it's almost impossible to tell it was AI.
Next, you can choose the camera, and this is one of Pixellum's strongest features.
Each camera is designed to simulate the real look and feel of an actual camera, giving your photo a unique style and mood. Just pick the camera you want. You can leave the other settings on default for now. We'll cover those in another video. Then click Generate. And as you can see, you don't need photography skills or creative experience. Pixellum takes care of everything for you.
That's it for this video. In the next one, we'll explore more advanced features that give you even more control, so if you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.